Alright.
We are now preparing a douche to be tested.
Are you videotaping?
When and how to use douche. Use once daily for 7 days. Okay, only once, guys. Okay. Gently insert nozzle into your vagina. No more than 3 inches, okay?
Oh my god.
Slowly. Squeeze bottle. Do not close the vaginal opening. Douching solution should flow freely out of vagina.
Flowing freely into that water bottle /
Use
vagina.
while sitting on the toilet, in the tub, or while standing in the shower.
Which way are we putting it?
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's
Stop it.
After
Stop it.
douching, discard bottle and nozzle.
after douching. Ew, that's so gross.
This is the douche.
Douchebag. What's all that? Glenn, is this your
Ready,
camera?
set, go.
Oh, it's still recording. Drink it.
Douchebag juice?